So I planted this container of mystery potatoes May 6th. Unknown. I just knew they were tasty and decided to empty them out into my little pool. So far I've got 4 coming out. I think that was a seed potato. Here we go. I think I had 3 or 4 little small seed potatoes. Well, I turned them into sweet potatoes. They were just potatoes I was going to eat. Let's see what we get. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. I also decided to pull up 2 of the potatoes that were in this bin. I planted a variety in there. These last ones are still green, so they're not quite ready. But this is what I got out of there. Those are from 2 potatoes, so not bad.